Okay, now in exercise 2, we will learn how to insert and delete column or a row as we need. So for example, we don't want to see expenses of January month. We don't want this column, you can delete that column. So first just put the cursor on B and left click. Once this is highlighted, right click. As you right click on it, you can see these are the options and you can click on delete and the column is deleted. So now you can find John's expenses only for February month. But for example, if it was deleted by mistake, always you can undo it if you haven't saved it. So undo it, but once if the file is saved, you cannot undo it. So always remember, if you are saving the document, that will be the last copy and you cannot make the changes in it. So now undo that and we find January expenses back. So delete, how to delete it? Right click and delete. If you want to undo, click on undo button and that's it. Similarly, you can delete the row as you deleted column. The same steps you can follow. Okay, what's next step? So you can insert a row or column as well. So let's see. So put the cursor or there where you want to insert a new row. So insert, and here you can add any expenses that you want. And here you can add the data even after the table is prepared. You can insert the row and add the missing data. So that's the beauty of our Excel program and that's how it's useful. So now as I don't need it, I'll delete this. So right click and delete that row. Next option is hide and unhide the data if needed. Sometimes it happens that you don't want to show the expenses of January or some data, depends on the file that you have prepared. So you can hide the data, right click again, and here is the option that says hide. So now that data is hide, it's not deleted but it's hidden. When you are giving the presentation, you don't want to discuss about January expenses but your focus is on February expenses. So you can hide the unnecessary data that is irrelevant for the presentation or for the printout or whatever. So you can simply hide, and if you want to unhide, just right click and unhide the data. So that data is back. Sometimes if you find it's not back, just double click here and the data is back. So hide unhide option is also available. Now the next is copy and paste. So sometimes if you want to copy some of the data and present, here we can directly copy paste full table. Select the table, right click, and here you will find copy. And that's page 1, but if you want to present it to page 2, so here you can see that plus sign on the bottom of this workbook here. Click on plus sign and that shows page 2. And here if you put the cursor where you want to get that data, so put the cursor there, right click and paste. So first option paste and you get the data back. Again you can adjust the column width and select is required. Here you can add as many pages as you want. So Excel has unlimited pages. This is a workbook and these are pages. So now if you want to delete it, right click is very useful in Excel. So that will be deleted, that will be removed. Right click on it and you will find the options that you are looking for. Now we are back to our main page, John's expenses. You can also name the page if you want. For example, if these are expenses, so you can name it, right click and it shows rename option and you can rename it. So this will be as rename, and here again you can change the name, so it will be easy to find out. For example, that page was showing expenses, and the next page, if you want to show the income of John, so just make it as income and then you can change it accordingly. So that's all for this exercise. We'll learn more in our next exercise.